Welcome, little explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the enchanting world beneath the waves, exploring the stunning underwater wonders of the Red Sea. Our journey begins in the Coral Kingdom, where corals of all shapes and sizes create a magical underwater city. Watch as our animated fish friends swim among the corals, creating a lively and cheerful atmosphere. Look over there. It's a group of friendly dolphins. They love to play and perform acrobatic tricks. Let's join them in their underwater dance. Meet Tommy the turtle, our wise guide through the depths of the Red Sea. Follow him as he glides through the water, uncovering hidden treasures and secrets of the ocean. Behold the colorful gardens, where sea anemones sway to the rhythm of the ocean currents. Watch closely as playful clownfish dart in and out, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors. And there you have it, young adventurers, the incredible underwater wonders of the Red Sea. We hope you enjoyed this magical journey. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.